Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to find the post which you have saved on Facebook. Now if you want to see the post which you have saved on Facebook but you don't know the steps to it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Facebook app on the device. So if you have not installed the Facebook app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on the device. So after that, simply open the Facebook app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Facebook, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various things at the very upper taskbar. Now to find the post which you have saved on Facebook, click on the option of menu at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the option like your name, memories, saved, and all of it. So simply click on the option of saved, which is next to memories, and under this page you'll be able to find all of the posts which you have saved. So here are the posts which I have saved 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, and all of it. So that's it. That's how you can see the post which you have saved on Facebook. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.